In this vlog, we will deal with the implementation of QR code generation in your Flutter application. So nowadays QR code is being used almost in every applications, and mostly in banking applications we use this particular QR code to make a quick transactions. And not only banking applications, you may use this QR code for your personal use as well. So for linking your website or your mobile number, and based upon your requirement you can just easily create this particular QR code and share with your friends. Done everything to generate a QR. And now let us try to specify something, and I'm going to specify my name over here and tap on generate QR code. And here you can see there is some change in the QR. And here try to observe whenever I try to add any other text over here, and when you tap on generate QR code here, the QR code is getting updated accordingly.